নুনাসরা কাকসরা এডিসি ভিলেজ প্রধানমন্ত্রী আবাস যোজনা ও রাইডা চায়াত্wi nok laimani koksil chamung naitugni bagui sanka MDC Utpal Debbarma koi hangkoni munge kami blog bising khobjone নুনাসরা thai kakrasora এডিসি ভিলেজ প্রধানমন্ত্রী আবাস যোজনা ni nok soi manna klaini rokni yago sogi yakni koksil chamung kasaka jora kolmarobini amtei lukurongni bkhakti omhai koksil chamung manmani yagulo no kubui janani bagui srang salo thangka 11 mohrani TTDC constituency ni MDC Utpal Debbarma bo munge kami block office thangi block development officer by kok salaika tai boithogo নুনাসরা by kakrasora kok salaimani by baksano block bisi khobjone jura village council ni tai pradhanmantri awas yojana tini kongma koksil chama rokno tuibo kok salaika amthai lukrongni koksil chamung rokno nokmaya rokni lukrongni kokno saika MDC Utpal Debbarma o kok lab salaimani bisingtwi kebono nini ani hiyawo je manthai klaini rokno rani bagi sanka video ni thani.
There is irregularities in selection of beneficiaries under PMAYG 2. So today, with my leaders, I came to meet the BDU. I have categorically told them regarding the problems in Kakrasora and নুনাসরা particularly, and of course, in all the 14 VCs of my constituency, that the genuine beneficiaries should get, because what we have seen is in their names or in their job card name, as many as 44 beneficiaries in Kakrasora alone has got their name approved, which means 44 genuine beneficiaries will not be getting the house. So I have discussed the matter with the BDU. He have given us time so that by Monday we may submit fresh name whose name has been rejected from the waiting list. So we are doing that so that the genuine may get.